I think that this event or this action coming from the region is extraordinary. Because usually, pag may mga ganitong issues, they usually question the one who is in charge, but not this amount, no? So daghan kaayo ang minsan na-relieve tayo without, I think, kulang siya preliminaries. Yeah. And akong tanaw, you know, like the RD has provided a statement, but I would like to hear a comment from the DILG on, you know, like a reason. Just gusto ko or even from the President, because as I said, ito kasi na issue, bumalik ko to, this happened like, I think, a month ago. I declared drugs, but never told anyone, and never ordered anybody from the police to do anything. It was a declaration coming from me, and I said, kung may papatay ako yun, kung may namatay ako yan. So, and they still, I do not know, but you know, pwede naman, we can behave like children and pretend that this is not politically motivated. We can pretend, you know. Pero yeah, I would like to get a comment from DILG and maybe the President on what he thinks about this issue. Because these are hard-working policemen that they are questioning. You know, they have good track records and they have served the people of Davao since they became policemen. So, let's see what they think about this issue. Importante sa kuha nga madunggan po nako on what Secretary Abalos his take on this issue.
Are we communicating with the DILG?
Yes, yes.
So are we sending?
This through now. I'm communicating to them now, since you are here, the media, to convey this message to him.
Mayor, the PRO also assured that if ever mahuman investigation, walay accountability na mahitabo o makita, ibalik daw nila sa posisyon itong mga nare-review. You think nang buhakuin nila, Mayor?
Yes, tanaw na ko. We just have to wait. But like I said, it's an extraordinary move coming from the police by themselves, no, to do this to their own personnel. So, because we're talking about drugs, this is something. It's not a crime that's katulad ng a police being corrupt or a police abusing his power or harming people for their benefit. Kung yun yung issue nila, they're angling it na kaning mga police na to nang hilabot o mga tao kay tungod they were defending themselves ng ani operation against people involved in illegal drugs, then siguro tanaw na ako, it's not worth, you know, like the time and resources of the PNP to look into this, because there are a lot of problems in the Philippines. Daghang kitang problema sa Pilipinas nga pwede ninyo i-address, and you know, the police or the PNP can focus on, other than, you know, hardworking policemen.
Mayor, how does this affect our peace and order sa mass relief na nahitabo sa atong kapulisan sa Davao?
So, I do not know. Wala pa ko kibaw. As long as maayo ang ilang gipang puli as OIC, wala may kaso ta makita diha. But we are just gonna have to play it by ear kinanglan makita na to. Og sakto ilahang kuan, ang ilahang gibuhat, then maybe we will get good results out of it. But if things will get worse, then it will be on their hands. Because you know, these policemen, like I said, are hardworking and they have been doing their job properly and within